Hello, welcome back everybody to the channel. Let's talk about what is going on today on this video for quick seconds. Today we are gonna to have a look about the rest of the preliminary cockpit preparation, which are all items in section of EFB Initialization and also Aircraft Acceptance up to before walk-around procedure. Fenix A320 in Phuket Airport on stand 32 is awaiting us. Let's go into the cockpit for do some preparation about this procedure. Okay, my friends, folks, and dear subscribers, welcome on board flight number Thai Asia 3165 from Phuket VTSP toward Chiang Mai, Northern Thailand, VTCC. At first, if not subscribed the channel yet, appreciate it to support my channel with a click and also introduce the channel to others. It is most positive energy by you for ongoing videos. At first, section of cockpit preliminary preparation, which talked in previous video with title of aircraft setup, already done. Now the aircraft powered up, and let's talk and do the EFB initialization setup. For your information, the last part of aircraft setup, which was the ADIRS setup for today is left, and right now I am proceeding for turn the ADIRS to nav position, ADIR 1, and also on battery light ADIR 2, on battery light for ADIR 2, and then after ADIR 3 with a on battery light for 5 seconds. This section of procedure is a start with the all EFBs start. Right now we are going to the electronic flight bag and also all documents that we have on board for this flight to Chiang Mai. Already I do the EFB loaded, and right now we have flight information for today's flight from Victor Tango Sierra Papa Phuket with Alpha India Kilo 3165 call sign to Victor Tango Charlie Charlie Chiang Mai. And we are going to check the version of some documents on board the flight for today. We are gonna to check the version of QRH, and let me to load the QRH. Okay, for Airbus A320 with the engine CFM, a quick reference handbook, which the QRH is issued on 27 April 2000 and 22, which is a last update by Fenix, and also for the EFE. We are just check the operational flight plan for today, 18 April 2025, with the call sign Thai Asia 3165 from Phuket to Chiang Mai on board A320 with the registration of Hotel Sierra Alpha Bravo Oscar. The registration Hotel Sierra Alpha Bravo Oscar with the cell call code Alpha Kilo Charlie Delta. And for your information, Hotel Sierra Alpha Bravo Oscar is Airbus A320 -216 with the MSN 4333, means 4333, with the CFM engines 56-5 Bravo 4. The first flight of this aircraft was regarded to 31st of May 2010 with the test registration of Foxtrot Whiskey India Mike. About the weight, we have today actual zero fuel weight of 56,854 kilogram with the almost brake release weight of 65,041, and also landing weight is actually about 60,523 kilogram. And the first altitude for climb is 37,000 feet up to over Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok, which later on climbed to flight level 380. Everything is good, and also we have a planned fuel right now with the bullet fuel of 8,470. That we check it, 8,420, and we can check the distribution of the fuel, which is loaded, equal and balanced on both sides of the aircraft. Everything is good for now, and also EFB version, EFB information, and also any software as same as in real operation. Nav Blue Fly, the smart version, is checked, and also QRH version is checked. That's time for check the FMS for the aircraft engine type CFM 56-5- Bravo 4. Effective nav database is regarded to 17 April 2025 up to 14 May 2025, which is up to dated. For the init page, we right now insert the flight number Alpha India Quebec 3165 from Victor Tango Sierra Papa to Victor Tango Charlie Chiang Mai. Inserted. Nav accuracy upgrade message, and we are right now going to aircraft acceptance section. It was the last section for EFB initialization and right now we are going for aircraft acceptance. At the first description for aircraft acceptance, right now we are in the first part of aircraft acceptance. Check the status of the aircraft, that what is the aircraft status right now from the previous leg, and also from the next leg that we will fly with. At the first action, we are press the recall for more than 3 seconds and release. We got the normal memo message on ECAM, and also currently we have to check the logbook of the aircraft, technical logbook, check the 5 previous leg that aircraft flown with which abnormalities or defected items. Then go to the MEL and CDL items of the aircraft. If there is any MEL or CDL item for this leg of flight with the current sector of the flight, we have to consider all the limitations and also performance calculation for these items. And also we do not have any MEL CDL item for this flight for the sector, current sector from Phuket to Chiang Mai. For the MEL and CDL item, the master equipment list is a reference book for check the defect items, and also from the flight manual. At the end of the flight manual, we have a section for a CDL item that we can check any external lack of equipment or part if considered as a performance-wise item for the flight. In detail, on the next videos, I have to pay more attention about the MEL and CDL, and we will go on and continue any video for accurate and detailed information about the MEL and CDL item. For the next item, we will go to the aircraft configuration summary, which in the one section of the QRH, we have the operational data. The first section of operational data, we have the aircraft configuration summary, that all the equipments which are installed in the aircraft, the most important one, are listed in the aircraft configuration summary, as same as ADS Bravo out for this aircraft is installed. Autopilot automatic disconnection at minima regarding to system of autoflight is installed, and we have autopilot flight director TCAS we do not have on board, and also automatic FD bar engagement at go around for this aircraft is installed, and we have backup navigation function of the MCDU. We do have the backup navigation function of the MCDU, and also many other items that we again recheck the detail of QRH about the OABs, about the operational data, and as well as same as the aircraft configuration summary later on next videos. OABs we'll check later on at the last section of the QRH. OAB means that some item that have the procedure not inserted on ECAM, because ECAM has a software that frequently should be keep updated, but some airlines or some procedures are not inserted in the ECAM database, and actually ECAM is not updated about this procedure. Maybe 7 items, maybe 2 items, maybe something about these numbers are missed in the ECAM database. And Airbus issued a procedure for these items with name of OEB, which is engineering operational engineering bulletin. At the last section of QRH are available this item that for the aircraft acceptance section should be check these items. Then we are going to preliminary performance determination. Right now we have to check the departure airport weather based on ATs. Right now we check it on our electronic flight back for the Victor Tango Sierra Papa 18. Day of the current month at time 1130 Zulu. The wind from 310 degrees 06 knot, variable between 280 degrees and 360 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometer or more. Few clouds at 2000 feet. Temperature 29 air. Dew point 25 with the current QNH 1007, and a trend is no significant weather for the next 2 hours. We can go to the check the mass and balance right now, which the Mach of zero fuel weight is 31.9, and also zero fuel weight actually 56854 with the gross weight 65271 and the gross weight CG of 29.6. and plant fuel is loaded. It's time to go for the calculate the takeoff performance for the wind from 310 degrees 6 knot, and also I checked it with the flight radar 24. Currently the runway 27 is the active runway for departure in Phuket Airport. ICAO code Victor Tango Sierra Papa is correct, runway 27, and also runway surface is dry, which is correct. Let's check the Phuket for ground chart. For the airport diagram right now. From stand 32 we have to taxi via Papa and Juliet. We should line up runway 27 for departure, and there is no any intersection for departure via runway 27. And return back to the takeoff performance calculation. Flap config optimum for TOGA. There is no need for TOGA. NTS will be off, packs off, and also takeoff weight is almost 65 tons, which is correct with the CG 29.6, which is already checked. Weather condition is checked. Wind from 310 degrees 06 knot, temperature 29, and QNH 1007, and we shall calculate the takeoff performance. We got the V1 146, we rotate 146, V2 149 with the flap selection of 2, and also 68 as a flex temperature. Good condition for this flight. Flap 2 is good, and Then after receiving the load sheet, we should send it to the MCDU. Airfield data obtained, preliminary loading is check MELCDL items. There is no need for insert any items, and also we compute the preliminary takeoff reference data, and also these items should be cross-checked with both pilot. For the next item, just before walk around, the pilot monitoring have to check some items on ECAM. As you can see, the cockpit oxygen is 1800 psi, which is in a good condition, and also reserve for the engine oil. Engine oil quantity on both engines are 1/8, and for the hydraulic, all reservoirs are checked about the quantity, about the fluid level, and that's good. We have to check the flap lever position and cross-check with the indicator on ECAM. Then after should cross-check the speed brake lever, which retracted and not armed, and then after we should go to the parking brake setup. Right now parking brake is off. Turn it to the on, check the pressure. Accumulator pressure is not in green band, and we should get the clearance from the ground engineers or ground staff to pressurize the hydraulic. Let's call the mechanic. Hello my friend, this call is from the cockpit. For energize and pressurize the accumulator, we should pressurize the yellow electric pump. Everything is clear on the ground? Okay, thank you. Everything is clear, and we should pressurize the yellow hydraulic. Okay, overhead panel, hydraulic section, yellow hydraulic, and electric pump. We got the clearance from the ground, and also turn it on. Hydraulic PTU on ECAM. Accumulator pressure is right now within green band, and turn it off. Pressure check, turn the parking brake off, press the full pedals, brake pedals. We should check the alternate brake, and again turn the parking brake on. Check the accumulator pressure, which is not in green band again, and also parking brake caption on ECAM. Okay, chocks are in place. Before start the engine and removing the chocks, we can pressurize the hydraulic again. That's time for check the safety equipment item, as same as life vest, crash axe, smoke hoods, and also oxygen mask, a flashlight, a fire extinguisher, escape rope, and which is located here on both sides for the emergency evacuation from the cockpit windows. And also, as a priority and as an important item, we should both pilot check the all gear pins. We have 3 gear pins on board of A320, and 3 of them shall be on board the aircraft. After the emergency equipment check and also as well as the gear pins, the aircraft acceptance check is completed, and we have to turn the parking brake to on, which is already is, and also turn the nav logo light to position just for the exterior inspection during a walk around. EFB initialization and also aircraft acceptance as a last part of the cockpit preliminary check is completed. The aircraft is ready for exterior walk around by pilot monitoring. Hope you have enjoyed this procedure in accordance with published Airbus SOP, and we have to have a detailed look for the some items in the near future on the next videos. Just wish you all safe sky in real world and also in a virtual sky, as same as VATSIM. For you, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Thank you for your attention, and also see you in the near future as soon as possible. Thank you.